I got the 3 rarest primes. First, Dodgers. Second, Strawberry Banana. Third, so let's try all of them. Dodgers.
Meron naman size ito eh.
Oh, this is good.
Yung suot ko, binili ko yung sa
Banana?
Shopee. Shopee naman yun.
Smells good.
Ganda sa anong terno ng Prada. Oh.
Tastes good. This one. It's good. All of them taste good. Bye.